What's going on, everybody? My name is Adam, and this is my 2018 iPad Pro that I bought brand new. And this is my new 2018 iPad Pro 256 gigabytes that I bought certified refurbished from Apple. So the question is certified refurbished products as good as new Apple products? Let's find out. For those of you that don't know, I got this 11-inch iPad Pro 64 gigabytes in September of 2019 from Amazon for about $675. I got it so I could watch Netflix, Disney Plus, YouTube, browse the web, just basic things like that. And 64 gigabytes was plenty enough for what I needed my iPad for. And yes, I know you can get an iPad for much cheaper than $700 just to watch YouTube and Netflix, but I wanted that Face ID on my iPad, the 120 hertz beautiful ProMotion display, the slimmer bezels, and I wanted the new iPad Pro. So that's what I got. Everything was working perfectly fine. And then my wife and I, we decided to make YouTube videos. And I thought, oh, 64 gigabytes, that'll be fine. It was starting out, but as we kept making more videos, the storage would just crumble. It would take up so much storage that we would have to put old projects on our external hard drives. Now, normally I would never buy used Apple products. But I looked at Apple's rigorous refurbishment process and everything that they do to get their products ready to sell it again. At that point, it's pretty much a brand new device, but they cannot sell it for the retail price because it's been used. So with all that said, let's unbox this iPad and see if it looks any different than a brand new iPad that I bought. Here is the packaging and how it came in. Always, when you open a package, always get away from yourself. They don't come in that shiny new Apple boxes. I have the 2018 iPad Pro box. Here's what it came in. As you can see, colorful? Not colorful. So if you really want this, then I wouldn't get this. Just get my handy knife and just go. And as you can see, it says Apple Certified Refurbished. What's cool is, and I love these parts, is it still has the pull tab. Still does feel like you are opening up a brand new iPad because it's got that shrink wrap on there. And you get the satisfying pull. Oh, that is so satisfying. All right, I'm gonna have this box, which is the brand new one that it came in. Here is, I'm gonna do a comparison of what you get in the boxes. So here is what the box came in. This is the new one, and this is the refurbished. Obviously, that paper is gone. Upon first inspection, everything looks beautiful. Can't see any scratches on it. Yeah, everything looks perfectly fine. Now let's look at the accessories. In the boxes, everything looks the same. Everything looks identical. Now, this is a USB-C to Lightning because I couldn't find my original USB-C to USB-C cable. That was neatly wrapped up just like this. So just for demonstration purposes, you can see what it looks like. As you can tell, everything looks brand new. This is USB-C. That's what you need because all iPad Pros have USB-C now. This wall brick, I mean, it looks pretty good. It still has the original shrink wrap on it. The only new thing I do see is there's a small little like marking on this. Actually, I think it just rubs, well, you can still see the little marking on there, but I never use these. I always use the Anchor wall ports, so I'm not really too concerned about that. But yeah, everything on the outside looks exactly the same. Now let's check on the back side. On the box, you don't get the awesome little storage size iPad Pro 11-inch Wi-Fi. All these little cool things that it says that you don't get it on the certified refurbished one. So actually, you do, but it looks a little different. They don't look the same. So if the back is important to you, then I would go with the new. But you can probably find these cases on eBay. So let's power it on and see how it looks. All right, everything looks right. It's got a 61% charge right out the box, which I think is a really good charge. Let's go ahead and set this thing up. Now let's see if this is actually a 256 gigabyte device. Let's go to Settings, General, iPad storage, and it says 256 gigabytes at the top. So yep, so far right off the bat, everything looks beautiful, looks flawless. I don't see any cracks, scratches, bumps, nicks, cuts, anything like that. So this iPad Pro is the very first refurbished Apple product I've ever bought, and so far everything looks great. Knock on wood. Have you guys ever bought a refurbished Apple product? If so, what was your experience like? Drop a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe if you guys would like to see more tech videos like this, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.